Hi, Molly.
Dude, this shit just fucked me up.
Jeff?
Oh yeah?
Great.
Oh yeah?
This shit hurts. Alright, so I go like this, and I went like really fast. I went like this, and I went like really fast.
I love that dog.
I was used to that, and I was like, ah, and my butt bone like killed, and I freaking fell off. And cut myself.
Molly. Kind of want to throw this at you right now.
What the hell?
There's Carly Cook. I like the way she rocked her hips. Fire crotch. Fuck fire crotches, dude.
That looks like Mr. Donahue.
He's sexy, dude.
Put it the regular way. So that
I like the way she rock. Look at this sex kitten.
my face, yo.
My
Ew.
Oh shit. Bye. Say bye. Oh, go do it. She's gonna go scare the shit out of me. Shit, yo.
Oh my god.
Yo, ready? Videotape me freaking doing my run. Here. I'm gonna run over him. Go over there.
My head's fucking.
Go for Randall.
I can't move his head.
Go for Randall.
Sit up, sit up.
Ow, look at my back.
I'm getting off.
Alright, go for Jeff now.
Molly's
What?
such a whore. Like, show that some business.
She's not touching me.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Do the fucking face. Just do it. Kill her. Kill her. Feed her to people. Say hi. Say goodbye.